Chapter 1. The Unexpected Encounter. In a small rural town named Havenwood, nestled among rolling hills and lush green forests, life was peaceful and ordinary. The townsfolk went about their daily routines, unaware of the extraordinary events that were about to unfold. One clear summer night, as the moon bathed the town in its soft glow, a dazzling streak of light shot across the sky, capturing the attention of a few curious souls. Among them was young Ethan, an aspiring astronomer who spent countless nights gazing at the stars. Intrigued by the celestial display, Ethan grabbed his telescope and rushed outside. He set up his equipment and scanned the skies, hoping to catch a glimpse of the cosmic phenomenon. To his amazement, he spotted a faint glimmer in the distance. The glimmer grew brighter, revealing an otherworldly spacecraft descending toward the outskirts of Havenwood. The townspeople were now wide awake, their eyes filled with awe and a touch of fear. Whispers of speculation spread like wildfire, fueling imaginations and conjuring tales of extraterrestrial visitors. Chapter 2. A Mysterious Visitor. The following morning, the townsfolk gathered near the crash site, their hearts pounding with anticipation. The air crackled with a sense of wonder and trepidation as they approached the downed spacecraft. It was a surreal sight, a metallic vessel unlike anything they had ever seen. Suddenly, a hatch on the spaceship's side opened, and a figure emerged. The townspeople gasped as a tall, slender being with shimmering silver skin and large, luminescent eyes stepped out. The being, known as Xara, was an explorer from a distant planet called Zephyria. Xara spoke in a melodic yet unfamiliar language, leaving the townspeople perplexed. Sensing their confusion, Xara employed a small device that emitted a translation, allowing them to communicate. The device bridged the gap between languages, and Xara shared her peaceful intentions with the townspeople. Chapter 3. The Quest for Understanding. Ethan, being the curious and open-minded person he was, volunteered to act as an intermediary between Xara and the townspeople. He spent hours conversing with Xara, learning about Zephyria and its advanced civilization. Xara, in turn, marveled at the natural beauty and simplicity of Havenwood. News of the encounter spread far and wide, attracting scientists, government officials, and media from around the world. Havenwood became a hub of activity as researchers set up a temporary base camp near the crash site, eager to study the alien technology and establish peaceful relations. Ethan found himself thrust into the role of a cultural ambassador, helping the researchers understand the nuances of human society and acting as a guide for Xara. Together, they explored the town, forging bonds between Zephyria and Earth. Chapter 4. The Power of Unity. While the initial interactions with Xara were met with awe and wonder, fear began to creep into the hearts of some. Rumors and conspiracy theories circulated, fueling skepticism and mistrust. The unity that had once held Havenwood together threatened to crumble under the weight of uncertainty. Recognizing the growing tension, Ethan organized a town meeting, urging everyone to come together and embrace the unique opportunity they had been given. He shared stories of his conversations with Xara, emphasizing her peaceful intentions and the potential for mutual understanding. The townspeople listened, their hearts softened by Ethan's words. They realized that their fear stemmed from the unknown, and that the key to overcoming it lay in unity and cooperation. Inspired by Ethan's plea, the people of Havenwood resolved to support the research efforts and foster a climate of acceptance. Chapter 5. Unveiling the Secrets. As the research team delved deeper into the alien technology, they made astonishing discoveries. The Zephyrians had harnessed the power of clean energy and possessed advanced medical knowledge, offering hope for solving some of humanity's greatest challenges. In turn, the Zephyrians learned about Earth's rich history and cultural diversity. Xara marveled at the intricate tapestry of human existence and the townspeople eagerly shared their stories, traditions, and scientific achievements. Bonds were formed, friendships were forged, and Havenwood became a beacon of interstellar friendship. Chapter 6. A Farewell, Yet Not Goodbye. As time passed, the researchers completed their studies and prepared to bid farewell to Xara and her fellow explorers. The people of Havenwood gathered one last time to express their gratitude and share heartfelt farewells. Tears welled up in Ethan's eyes as he embraced Xara, knowing that their time together had been a remarkable chapter in his life. Xara promised to relay the stories of Havenwood to her fellow Zephyrians, igniting a glimmer of hope for future encounters and intergalactic connections. With a final wave, Xara boarded the repaired spaceship and it gracefully ascended into the skies, disappearing beyond the clouds. Havenwood stood still, filled with a mixture of sadness and awe, forever changed by the extraordinary encounter with an alien race. Epilogue. The Legacy of Havenwood. Havenwood became renowned as the town that welcomed the aliens with open arms, inspiring communities worldwide to embrace diversity and nurture the spirit of exploration. The lessons learned from the encounter with Xara and her fellow Zephyrians became a guiding light for humanity, fostering unity, cooperation, and a renewed appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Ethan continued to pursue his passion for astronomy, sharing his knowledge and experiences with the world. Havenwood became a center for interstellar research, attracting scientists, scholars, and curious minds seeking to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. And though the Zephyrians never returned in physical form, their legacy lived on in the hearts and minds of the people of Havenwood, forever reminding them of the power of connection, understanding, and the boundless possibilities that exist beyond the stars.